for this chicken water, what I'm going to do is fill up this trough with marbles. And that will keep the bees from drowning. So you could use pebbles, whatever you got. I'm just using my boys' marbles, which they don't play with anymore. So there we have it, some beautiful marbles in the trough. Now we're going to fill this up with water and then invert it upon here, and the water will dribble out. The way this chicken water works is I filled this container with water, and now I'm going to screw on the trough portion, like that. And the water comes out and fills that trough up. Now the bees would drown in that, so now we're going to fill this up with some marbles. And that way they have something to stand on.